In this exciting episode of Wild Chronicles, inside the world of a zoo animal keeper, viewers will get an exclusive glimpse into the daily life of a dedicated zoo animal keeper. Join us as we embark on a unique journey that takes us behind the scenes, showcasing the challenges, responsibilities, and incredible experiences that come with caring for these magnificent creatures. From the crack of dawn until dusk, witness the remarkable bond forged between animal keepers and their wards. Discover the meticulous routines and specialized skills required to provide optimal care, nourishment, and enrichment for a diverse array of species. With each segment, this behind-the-scenes adventure promises to deliver fascinating insights into the critical role played by zookeepers in preserving and protecting endangered wildlife. Throughout the video, you'll be introduced to passionate individuals who tirelessly work to ensure the utmost well-being of every animal under their watch. Gain a deeper understanding of the rigorous training required, the extensive knowledge in animal behavior, nutrition, and veterinary care, as well as the profound love and dedication that goes into nurturing these unique relationships. Experience heartwarming moments, thrilling interactions, and bittersweet challenges as we follow zookeepers on their daily rounds. You'll be captivated by anecdotes, educational tidbits, and surprising facts about different species, fostering a sense of admiration and respect for these unsung heroes. Wild Chronicles, inside the world of a zoo animal keeper, is a captivating and educational adventure that will leave you with a newfound appreciation for the incredible work done behind closed doors at zoos worldwide. Join us on this immersive journey into the lives of zoo animal keepers and get ready to be inspired by their unyielding commitment to conserving wildlife and preserving our planet's biodiversity. Welcome to Wild Chronicles. Today, we take you inside the world of a zoo animal keeper. Get ready to discover the incredible journey they embark on each day to care for these fascinating creatures. From dawn till dusk, the animal keeper's day begins with a sense of purpose. They start by preparing the animals' meals, ensuring they receive the right nutrients for their individual needs. It's a delicate balance between providing sustenance and ensuring a healthy diet. But their dedication doesn't end there. Our keepers also conduct regular health checks, monitoring each animal's well-being. They are fully trained to spot any signs of discomfort or illness. They are the guardians of these incredible beings. The keeper's journey continues with environmental enrichment. They provide daily activities and challenges to keep these animals mentally stimulated, just as they would be in the wild. It's a vital part of their well-being and happiness. Safety is crucial in the world of a zoo animal keeper. They ensure that enclosures are secure, conducting regular checks to maintain proper barriers. Their dedication to the animal's safety is unwavering. But it's not just about physical care. Our keepers also form unique bonds with the animals. They spend time building trust, understanding their personalities, and providing those much-needed moments of companionship. Just like us, these animals need love and attention. Our keepers offer affection and care, creating a deep bond that goes beyond the barriers of their enclosures. Every day, the zoo animal keeper faces challenges, but their passion and dedication never waver. They are the unsung heroes behind the scenes, working tirelessly to ensure the well-being and survival of these magnificent creatures. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey inside the world of a zoo animal keeper. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing adventures. Until next time, take care and always remember the importance of protecting our wildlife.